Oh, what a nice big space to stretch on. Well, it's only that big because I moved the coffee table away because we're going to run the Roomba. I know since Pumpkin's been here, we've usually run the Roomba while she's downstairs since it scares you so much, but, well, enjoy the nice open carpet for a moment more. Hey, no, now I'm gonna start the Roomba if you scratch on my carpet. Oh, cutie. You're so cute. I'm glad you're comfortable. You're so much less stressed now. Silly girl. We're gonna hold our ground. What's the plan, Captain?